We've added a whole new product line of test strips. We've got a 14-panel water test, a 14-panel urinalysis, and an ultra-sensitive pH test strip that you can use with urine or saliva. When you're in a detoxification and healing program, it's always nice to monitor organ function, detoxification, different health parameters like checking if you're dehydrated or if you're acid or alkaline. So we've created ultra-sensitive tests that are accurate and FDA approved. This is our 14-panel urinalysis test. Online you can find a lot of 10 panels, but there were additional parameters that I wanted to monitor while I was on my healing detoxification program. This strip is easy to use. You're going to get results very quickly, and you compare the colors on the bottle. When I took this test strip, I realized that I was dehydrated. So I drink spring water, and I drink a lot of water in the morning and the evening. And here I found out in the midday, I'm dehydrated. So since I started testing my urine, I know it's more about hydration of the cells and spreading the amount of water you drink throughout the day. So my specific gravity was high. That indicated that I was dehydrated, and because of that, there was a little protein in my urine and all these other different things. Within 2 days of using healthy salt, drinking extra water throughout the day, my urinalysis test came back normal. So this is a great tool to use to check out what's going on in your body when you try this fast or that protocol. What stress is it having on your kidneys or your liver? Or, are you drinking enough while you're detoxifying? So this is a FDA approved test strip with 14 panels, so you can monitor more for about the same price. Drinking water is very important. Many people are adding toxins to their body through their drinking water. So anyone on a health detoxification program should be checking the source of their water with these handy test strips. They're a 14-panel water test. Most of the tests online are only a 10-panel. So you can get accurate results that can help you either filter your water or change the type of drinking water you're using. We recommend drinking spring water and ceramic filtered water versus reverse osmosis or distilled water. People don't realize that by drinking reverse osmosis and distilled water, it's blank. It pulls minerals out of your body. So go with the spring or the ceramic filtered water to be safe, but add in healthy salt, which is 10.72 pH. It's nearly 30% minerals, so you can keep your electrolyte balance healthy. These are our ultra-sensitive pH test strips for urine and saliva, so you can check your electrolyte reserve before starting a detoxification program. If your electrolytes are low, you're going to have a lot of healing reactions that normally wouldn't occur. So check these out. They're easy to use with a very quick reading, with clear colors, with 2 indicators. So within 0.25 pH, you can determine your accurate pH. Now there's instructions on the box that tell you how to do a urine test, saliva test, a lemon saliva test, alkaline food test, and an acid food test. When you follow those instructions, compare your results to the good electrolyte reserve indicators. So if you don't have good electrolytes, you need to start any healing program very slow. We recommend using healthy salt. So you can quickly alter your pH in your body with this high concentration of minerals to make the difference that you're looking for.